Are you worried about how bad macOS performs on your Mac now? Trust me, you're at the right place, because in this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide to make your Mac run as fast as new. I'll take you through 5 comprehensive steps, since what causes a slow macOS can vary from background apps hogging your RAM to misconfigured system settings. No matter your issue, by the end of this video, your Mac should feel faster and more responsive. One of the easiest ways to make your Mac run faster is to close apps you're not using. Even if they're just sitting in the background, they can still use up memory and slow things down. Shutting them off helps your Mac focus on what you actually need. To keep your Mac running smoothly, open Activity Monitor by searching for it in Launchpad. It lets you see what's using your system resources so you can close anything slowing things down. Now, click on the Memory tab to see all the apps currently using your Mac's RAM. As you can see, these apps are using up memory, and since I don't need them right now, I'm going to quit them. Just click on the app you don't want running in the background, then hit the stop icon at the top and choose Force Quit. Also, do not forget to close any unused tabs in your browser. They can quietly eat up RAM in the background. Those annoying apps that automatically open when you start your Mac could be the reason it's running slow. To stop them from running on System Startup, open System Settings at the top left corner of your screen. Under General, click on Login Items and Extensions. Now, click on the app you don't want to see open when you log in into macOS and remove it with the minus sign. It's no wonder your Mac slows down when storage is nearly full. Large files like photos, videos, and music tend to take up the most space and can really weigh things down. A quick and simple way to free up some storage space to help increase the speed of your Mac is by deleting old and unused files or apps and emptying your bin. Before deleting anything, check whether you have free space or not by opening Disk Utility in the Launchpad. As you can see, I have enough free space left. Proceed with this step if you have about 5 GB free space left. A quick reminder, make sure to back up your important files to the cloud or an external hard drive so you don't lose them. To delete any unused app or document on your Mac, open the Finder and navigate through the folders on the left and delete any file you do not need. Another easy way is to open System Settings from the top left corner. Under General, click on Storage. It gives you a more organized view of what's taking up space, just like we did earlier. To remove any app, click the small caution icon to view all the installed apps on your Mac. Then, choose any app you no longer need and delete it to free up storage space. Now, let's repeat the same thing for documents. Scroll through all your files and delete what you no longer need to free up storage space. There's really no need for me to delete anything right now since I still have plenty of storage available. Macs usually run macOS pretty well, but at times they might struggle to keep up, especially in doing a lot at once. Turning down or disabling some of the visual effects can help boost performance. To turn off some of the animations in the UI, open System Settings at the top left corner, Accessibility, then Display. Now, enable Reduce Motion. This minimizes animations like when you switch between desktops, open apps, or use mission control. It makes transitions simpler and snappier, which uses less GPU power and can feel faster. Now, enable Reduce Transparency if you want to remove the see-through effects in menus, sidebars, and windows. If none of the solutions I proposed worked, then your final option is to reset your Mac or perform a clean reinstall of macOS. This should only be done as a last resort since it involves wiping your entire boot drive. It will remove all the accumulated files in both the system and user libraries over the years. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.